Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that is incredibly important for so many of us: nutrition for women over 50. As we gracefully age, our bodies go through some pretty significant changes. Our metabolism might slow down, our bone density can decrease, and our nutritional needs shift. It's a natural part of life, but it also means we need to be more mindful about what we put on our plates. Eating the right foods can make a world of difference in how we feel, our energy levels, and our overall health, helping us stay vibrant and active for years to come. So, I read on the research and consulted with dietitians to bring you a comprehensive list of 11 power foods that are particularly beneficial for women in this chapter of life. These aren't exotic, hard-to-find ingredients. They're simple, delicious foods you can easily find at your local grocery store. We're going to talk about why each one is so good for you, covering everything from bone health and digestion to heart health and even brain function. Think of this as your ultimate guide to nourishing your body from the inside out. Let's get started on this journey to healthier, happier aging. First up on our list is the humble but mighty kiwi. Don't let its small size fool you. This fuzzy little fruit is a nutritional powerhouse. For women over 50, one of the biggest benefits of kiwi is its incredible vitamin C content. In fact, a single kiwi can provide more than your entire daily requirement of vitamin C. Why is this so important? Well, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage. It also plays a crucial role in collagen production, which is essential for healthy skin, joints, and bones. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, so getting enough vitamin C is key to maintaining that structural integrity. Plus, kiwis are a great source of fiber, which helps keep our digestive system regular and happy. Next on our list is Greek yogurt. If you're looking for a food that does it all, this is it. Greek yogurt is packed with two essential nutrients for women over 50: calcium and protein. We all know calcium is vital for bone health. And as the risk of osteoporosis increases with age, getting enough calcium becomes non-negotiable. Greek yogurt provides a highly absorbable form of calcium to help keep your bones strong. But the protein is just as important. Protein helps us maintain muscle mass, which naturally declines as we get older. Keeping our muscles strong is crucial for mobility, balance, and overall strength. Greek yogurt offers a significant protein boost in every serving. Look for plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars, and you can always add your own fresh fruit for flavor. Let's talk about prunes. I know, they might have a bit of an old-fashioned reputation, but it's time to bring them back into the spotlight. Prunes, which are simply dry plums, are fantastic for both digestive health and bone health. They are famous for their fiber content, which helps prevent constipation and promotes a healthy gut. But recent studies have shown something even more exciting. Regular consumption of prunes may help prevent bone loss and even reverse it in postmenopausal women. Researchers believe this is due to a combination of vitamins and minerals in prunes, like vitamin K and potassium, that work together to support bone density. Just a handful a day can make a real difference. Moving on to our fourth power food, flaxseed. These tiny seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ELA, or alpha-linolenic acid. Omega-3 south are famous for their anti-inflammatory properties and their benefits for heart health. They can help lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, and keep your arteries healthy. For women over 50, this is especially important as heart disease risk increases after menopause. Flax seeds are also a great source of lignans, a type of plant compound with antioxidant properties that may help balance hormones. The best way to use them is to buy them ground or grind them yourself, as your body can't break down the whole seeds. Sprinkle a tablespoon over your yogurt, oatmeal, or blend it into a smoothie. Number 5 is a fan favorite, blueberries. These little blue gems are bursting with flavor and antioxidants, specifically a type called anthocyanins. These are the compounds that give blueberries their deep, rich color, and they are incredible for our health. Anthocyanins have been linked to improved brain function and memory, helping to fight off age-related cognitive decline. They also support heart health by improving blood flow and blood pressure. Plus, blueberries are high in fiber and relatively low in sugar, making them a perfect sweet treat. Whether you enjoy them fresh, frozen in a smoothie, or on top of your morning cereal. Adding a cup of blueberries to your daily routine is a delicious way to boost your health. Let's head into the vegetable kingdom for our sixth food, mushrooms. Mushrooms are unique because they are one of the few non-animal sources of vitamin D. Many of us, especially in colder climates, are deficient in vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption and, therefore, bone health. Some mushrooms are even exposed to UV light to increase their vitamin D content, so check the label. Beyond vitamin D, mushrooms are rich in B vitamins, which are crucial for energy production, and selenium, a powerful antioxidant that supports the immune system. From simple white button mushrooms to more exotic shiitake, each type offers a unique flavor and set of benefits. They're incredibly versatile and can be added to stir-fries, soups, salads, or simply sautéed as a side dish. Next, we have a small fish with big benefits, sardines. Please don't click away. Sardines are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. They are an exceptional source of omega-3 fatty acids, even more so than many other fish. These fats are critical for reducing inflammation and protecting your heart and brain. Sardines are also loaded with calcium and vitamin D because you eat the tiny, edible bones. It's a natural whole food combination that's perfect for supporting bone density. And because they are small fish at the bottom of the food chain, they have very low levels of mercury. If the taste is a concern, try finding sardines packed in olive oil or a flavorful tomato sauce. Mash them up with some lemon juice and herbs and spread them on whole wheat crackers. Our eighth power food is a leafy green champion, kale. Kale has been trendy for a while, and for good reason. It's packed with an impressive array of nutrients. It's an excellent source of vitamin K, which is absolutely essential for bone health and proper blood clotting. Kale is also rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, both powerful antioxidants that support your immune system and skin health. It also contains compounds that have been shown to support heart health by helping to lower cholesterol. While some people find raw kale a bit tough, you can easily massage it with a little olive oil and lemon juice to soften it for salads, or you can add it to soups, stews, and smoothies where it blends in perfectly. Number 9 on our list is walnuts. When it comes to nuts, walnuts are a true superstar for brain health. They are the only nut that contains a significant amount of the plant-based omega-3 fatty acid, ALA. As we've discussed, this is fantastic for reducing inflammation and protecting your brain cells. Their shape, which resembles a tiny brain, is a fun little clue to their primary benefit. Walnuts are also a good source of protein, fiber, and a variety of antioxidants. Studies have linked regular walnut consumption to improved memory and cognitive function. A small handful makes a great snack, or you can chop them up and add them to salads, oatmeal, or baked goods for a healthy, satisfying crunch. Next up, we have another creamy green favorite, avocado. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, which are the good fats that are incredibly beneficial for heart health. This type of fat helps to lower bad LDL cholesterol while raising good HDL cholesterol. Avocados are also an excellent source of potassium, a mineral that's crucial for managing blood pressure. In fact, they contain more potassium than a banana. And of course, they are full of fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel full and satisfied, which can be helpful for weight management. From classic avocado toast to adding slices to a salad or blending it into a creamy smoothie, there are countless ways to enjoy this delicious and healthy fruit. Finally, our 11th power food is edamame. These green soybeans, often served in their pods, are a fantastic plant-based protein source. Getting enough protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass as we age. And edamame provides a complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids our bodies need. They are also rich in fiber, iron, and phytoestrogens called isoflavones. These isoflavones have been studied for their potential role in easing some symptoms of menopause and supporting heart and bone health. You can find them in the freezer section, either in the pod or shelled. They make a great snack steamed and sprinkled with a little sea salt, or you can add the shelled beans to salads, stir-fries, and grain bowls. So there you have it, 11 amazing, accessible, and delicious power foods that dietitians recommend for women over 50. From kiwi and blueberries to sardines and walnuts, Each one brings something unique to the table to support your bones, your heart, your brain, and your overall well-being. Remember, building a healthy diet isn't about restriction. It's about adding in more of these nutrient-dense foods. Small, consistent changes can lead to big results in how you feel every single day. I hope you found this list helpful. Save this video for your next grocery trip and share it with a friend who might benefit. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on healthy living. See you in the next video.